Hello everyone, Namaste and welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to collect tomato seeds from the fresh tomatoes. We are also going to see how to plant these tomato seeds and how long does it take to germinate. The first step is to select the most ripened tomato and then remove the pulp along with the seeds and put it in a glass of water. At this stage, you can leave the tomato seeds in the water to ferment. It will take usually 1 to 2 days to ferment, depends on the weather. This fermentation step helps in cleaning the tomato seeds. It also helps in killing the bad bacteria, which will in turn boost the germination rate. This is the first day and it looks like it still needs some time to ferment. So I'm going to leave it for another 1 day as the weather is still cold here. This is the second day of the fermentation. Looks like it's completely fermented and there is an upper layer which is white in color and the seeds are settled down in the bottom. If there are some bad seeds, it will also float in the water. So what we need to do before collecting the seed is to remove those bad seeds from the upper layer. It also smells sour like a yogurt and that's when you know it's actually fermented. Now I'm going to carefully pour the water to remove the upper layer from the seeds. Once the upper layer and the bad seeds are removed, I'm going to put this in a strainer and remove the pulp and the seeds carefully with a spoon. Actually, we have fermented it already. It is easy to remove the pulp and the seeds. The seeds are now removed from the pulp and for one last time we are going to again put it in the water to make sure there are no bad seeds floating. If there are any bad seeds floating, you can actually remove it. It looks good to me. There are no bad seeds which are floating, so I'm going to put it in a strainer and remove the seeds and then transfer it to a paper towel. Let it dry for some time and once it is dried completely, you can save it for a longer time. Even if you want to plant it immediately, you can plant it. Let's see how to plant the tomato seeds we collected from the fresh tomatoes. Tomatoes needs transplanting. For now I'm going to sow the seeds in this 3-inch pot and leave it grow until like 6 inches tall and then I will transfer it to the ground or the bigger pot. I'm going to add 3 seeds in each of the pots. Cover it with the thin layer of soil on top of the seeds, but don't bury them, like gently tap on top of the soil. Now we need to wait and watch them germinate. These seedlings looks amazing and healthy. I will be transplanting them to a bigger pot or a ground in another 4 to 6 weeks. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.